Hey everyone, it's me Melody. This is the Amazon haul part 2. So I just got these both in, it's the same set as this, is what's in here, but there's extra stuff in here. So I'm gonna take these 2 bags out and show what's in there and add it to this. So I got some of these red bows, the white ones, the black. Everything else is basically the same as what's already in here. So you just get all these different types of bows, and that's heart. There's all these different kinds, which I'm happy to be able to use. I needed more of these pearl hearts, and I'm happy to get more of these purple ones. And then these are some of my favorites right here. I can't wait to use those. So I'm gonna put this in the container and show. This is the other bag. It has the same things in it. So I'm just gonna go through this and add it to all this. So this is what all of them look like in the case. And then I'm just gonna show a picture of the last Amazon item because I don't know what it's gonna get here. But it's some glow-in-the-dark glitter. Thanks for watching. Bye. So I have one more of these coming in the mail, but it's not here yet. So I'll just show this. It's like the same exact thing, size and everything. So that is it for my Amazon haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.